I think one of the most serious types of injuries that I see in my practice that often goes undiagnosed is the minor traumatic brain injury. A minor traumatic brain injury is sometimes referred to as an invisible injury because it doesn't show up on standard tests that doctors use like CT scans and MRI imaging. I mean, even the name minor traumatic brain injury is misleading because the term minor refers to the nature of the trauma that causes the injury, but it doesn't have any relation to the effect of the injury. Minor traumatic brain injuries can cause serious, permanent, and disabling injuries. These types of claims are often very difficult to pursue with an insurance company because the insurance company refused to consider that the injured person has suffered a serious injury when there's no objective test, when there's no x-ray that they can point to or no CT scan that shows an injury to the brain. Often the effects of a minor traumatic brain injury are so subtle that the injured person doesn't even realize that they've been hurt. In most cases, it's the family member or their co-workers or their children who tell me about the symptoms that the injured person's experiencing that are a sign of minor traumatic brain injury. So for example, if a person who's been in an accident develops headaches and lack of concentration, forgetfulness, if they've experienced a personality change after the accident, all of those symptoms may be the result of a minor traumatic brain injury. And it's important that the injured person be referred to a specialist, an appropriate specialist, like a neuropsychologist, in order to accurately determine the nature of the deficits, the nature of the cognitive problems that they're suffering from, so that we can establish whether or not those cognitive problems are in fact due to a minor traumatic brain injury.